Decorating with icing, a sweet art. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a deliciously sweet topic that's as fun to talk about as it is to eat. Decorating with icing. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or simply curious about English culinary terms, this video will give you a taste of how language and cooking come together. So, let's get started and explore the art of icing. Icing, also known as frosting, is a sweet, creamy glaze that's made primarily from sugar. It's used to decorate or add texture to various baked goods, such as cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. There are many types of icing, including buttercream, royal icing, fondant, and glaze. Each type has its own unique texture and use, ranging from silky smooth for spreading to stiff for detailed decorations. When we say, decorate with icing, we're talking about the process of adding visual appeal and flavor to baked goods using icing. This can involve a range of techniques, from spreading a simple layer of icing on a cake to creating intricate designs with a piping bag. Decorating with icing is not just about making a dessert taste better. It's also an art form that allows bakers to express creativity and make their creations stand out. To decorate with icing, several tools and techniques are essential. Piping bags and various nozzles are used to apply icing in specific shapes and designs. Spatulas help in spreading icing smoothly over cakes. There's also a technique to everything, from making flowers and leaves to writing messages or creating lace patterns. Mastering these tools and techniques allows bakers to transform simple baked goods into edible masterpieces. Decorating with icing requires practice and creativity. It's not just about following recipes but also about experimenting with colors, textures, and designs. Watching tutorials, attending workshops, and practicing on your own can help improve your skills. Remember, every baker has their own style, and the beauty of decorating with icing lies in the personal touch each one brings to their creations. We hope this video has given you a sweet insight into the world of decorating with icing. Whether you're planning to take up baking as a hobby or just love learning new English terms, remember that language learning can be as enjoyable as enjoying a beautifully decorated cake. Keep practicing, stay creative, and don't forget to have fun along the way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.